Alright, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Alright, so the reason I laugh because I watch one clip a while ago on Instagram where two persons are box, and me I tell you, like, it was a white guy and a black guy, right? And the white guy give black man one heavy hit, you know. Black man get up, jump on his feet and just rise up back right away. So when the white man come in a bit closer, I don't know the name, so I have to just adjust him like that. Um, the black guy just give him a hit, him a hefty hit, you know, man. And the man got grung. And when he get up back, and he see the black man ready, man say, no, sir. Can't take another one like that. But I'll just go back and go sit down. But anyways, thank you very much for tuning in, people. Really appreciate it. So we're gonna speak about Shamar Nicholson. For those who don't know, and those who know, are those who did know, so there was heavy media coverage or media rumors surrounding Shamar Nicholson going into Nantes. Now, this is the first article that states that Shamar Nicholson was going to Nantes, and then now his agent came out to clear things up. So let's go through the speculations first. Spartak Moscow forward Shamar Nicholson may be on the move to Nantes, that's in Ligue A, in the French division. Forward of the Moscow Spartak, Shamar Nicholson can continue his career in the championship fair of France. The service of the 25-year-old Jamaican were offered to Nantes, MSV Foot tweeted. According to the source, Nicholson himself is not against leaving Spartak Moscow. Recall that Nicholson moved to Spartak in January 2022. The transfer amount was 8 million euros. The previous club of the 25-year-old was Charleroi in Belgium. Yeah. Anyways, that's a lot of rhetoric. Let's run through it. For Spartak, Nicholson managed to play 15 matches, scored 8 goals, and have 2 assists. So that's literally 10 goal contribution in 15 games. That's quite good returns. The current contract of the footballer with the Red and Whites is calculated until January 30, 2026. So he still have a long time to go before anything should happen in his contract. Now, at this point in time, his market value is around 7.5 million euros. I think it would have definitely risen in a time period. But let's move away from that. Let's see what his agent has to say. So his agent came out denying the transfer of player to Nantes. But did he really deny the transfer? The rumors are that Shamar Nicholson could be on his way to Nantes. Could be. Now, if nothing like that is in the pipeline, the agent is saying, hey, these are false accusations. My player is not going anywhere. He is with the Spartak Moscow until his contract supersedes, or even we might even consider renewing his contract. These would have been the same sentiments shared by the agent. But keenly now, let's listen to what the agent said. This is what he said. This came from the athletic football agent Ninad Partega has commented on the possible departure of his client Shamar Nicholson from Spartak Moscow. Mostovoy listed Spartak player who could play in Europe. Previously, it was reported that the Jamaican striker was set to move to French team Nantes. This is what the agent said. We have no official offer from Nantes for Shamar. That's what the agent said in this interview. We have no official offer from Nantes for Shamar. Now, if he's denying the rumors that, hey, this is not happening, most definitely he would have said, hey, this is false accusation, that won't happen. But he's saying that there's no official. What if there's an unofficial bid, like discussions are taking place, but the bid hasn't come in as yet? Because, discussion have to take place with the players and the agent before they go straight to the club. Sometimes some agreements, they go straight to the club before going to the player. They go to the club seeking the availability of the player, or sometimes they go to the player to see if the player wants to make another move or another step up. So it's either. But what is happening here is the agent saying that there's no official bid. It did not say that these stories are false accusation. There is no official bid. So read between the lines, people. Go in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this this speculation. Tell me if you think this is a good, if this should go through. Let us know if you believe that this is a good move or not. And let's see if there's anything in this going forward. Thank you very much, people, for tuning in. Massive respect, people. Really appreciate you guys. Stick around. Hit the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button. Most definitely. Also hit the notification bell so you get latest updates. I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Out. Mechanic just reached. So big up, people.